Making affiliate marketing work up a profit. Affiliate marketing is an extensive means of endorsing a website, in which an affiliate is compensated for each sale production using his or her own hard works. In affiliate marketing, there are various methods to earn money. Even if one of the methods can direct you to a victorious and money-making business, the studies and effort included can be so overpowering that when the time that you realized it, you are already tired nearly before you even get started. In that case, that unmanageable want to put off the task takes over. In addition, you also have not started yet and you are not able to end anything that you had already begun. This is usually what happens to most affiliates when they are only beginning. Indeed, it can eventually direct them to think that only some of the internet pros are able to earn money marketing affiliate programs. If only 5% of affiliate marketers can earn money, does that mean that only a few percentage are able to reach success? Think about this. Affiliate marketing is not a hard task. It is not also right to think that affiliate marketing is only for the educated and experienced ones. Also, never assume that only the fortunate people are the ones who are prone to success. This is not true. If you are determined and eager to set a little priority and effort on this market, it is assured that you will acquire the kind of success that you want. Delaying or postponing will never have the opportunity to pull you down. Expect this, you will surely be excited with just the thought of winning. All you have to buy then is to sit down and start taking your few extra times to observe how your hard works quickly grow. As for this moment, why not consider taking some of the following guidelines? You can follow these guidelines to a winning affiliate promoting campaign. Once you have realized that it is so easy, and that it essentially works, you will have the assurance and confidence to obtain success on affiliate marketing. Begin by educating yourself with the things not necessary to you in starting an affiliate marketing program. Website is not essential when starting. Pay-per-click campaign is not required. You will not have to read long pages of ebooks. There is no software needed. If not all of these are needed, then what is there for you to keep? You will only have an affiliate program to market. Select the program that will present you with a great sales memo and an excellent product. You may also opt for a program that provides an outstanding income every month. An outstanding profit is produced via the programs that rate the client on a monthly payment basis. The affiliate is then compensated each month the client maintains its subscription. Now, how will you market your affiliate program? Making articles is an ideal way to do this. Write an article and let others read it, copy and dispense on their own websites. In this way, you are already given an advantage to promote your affiliate program and your writings as well. Every article you create should have a resource box with your name on it, of course, and a few lines consisting of anything that you want to say. This is the area where you can endorse your affiliate program and also where you can put your affiliate link. The resource box should indicate something that can stimulate your reader and click your affiliate link. Think of this as merely an easy task. Because it really is easy. However, it still needs hard work and time. Also, admit this, in order for you to earn some money you will have to accomplish even a bit. If you think you cannot do all of these every month, then do not expect the taste of success. This is just an easy plan, though it is already proven effective. It will not cost any amount but your time to write articles and effort to distribute it. Lastly, whatever it is that you want to do, maintain your center. Think that you can do it, because you really can.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.